Hi, my name's Joshua Johnson, and I want to take a quick look at sharing Google Documents of really any kind. If you created something with Google Drive, whether it's a sheet or a presentation or Google document, you can share that in a number of different ways. The most common way, and probably the simplest, the dead simplest way to share something is when you have a file and you go up to the share button, instead of using someone's email address, because that's great if you just want to share it with one person and they have to be signed in, but it means they have to have a Google account. If you just want to share it with people so that they can see it and have easy access to it, the most common way to do that is to use what's called a link sharing. Now, when you turn link sharing on, depending on whether or not you're in another organization, you have to understand what the people getting that link are going to be able to do. In most cases, I want people to be able to comment on my paper. I don't necessarily want them to be able to change and edit all of the things. If you're at an organization, you're going to notice that when I look at this one says anyone at GEFECT, that's the organization, can comment. I'm going to switch to advanced, and I'm going to change this to anyone with the link can comment for this. So anyone with the link can comment, and I'm going to save. This link up here is the one that you're going to want to copy. The other way to get to this, if you're in your Google Drive and you go down to a file that you want to share, you can simply right-click on it, hit Get Shareable Link, and it is going to give you just a really quick way of saying on or off. All right. When I turn it on, if I want to change what they're able to do, this says anyone can view. I'm going to go to sharing settings, and I have that same process as before. This link is the one that I want to share with someone. I want to be able to paste it somewhere so that they can open and comment on my Google document.